So as I was putting up this channel, I realized that the molding was going to be in the way. I wasn't quite sure what to do with that. So I decided to cut the molding to put the channels up. See on this side, it's going to be in the way again. So we're going to mark that off and cut it also. Okay, so this way. So this next section, whole piece is too long, so we're going to need to cut that. And over here is also too long, so next two pieces, 3, 4, 5 pieces we need to do, are all going to need to be cut. So I guess we'll do some cutting in the next video or the next segment. So I've got several more corners to do. We've got 1, 2, 3 corners complete. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more corners to do. So we're just gonna lay these out. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One corner that way, one corner that way, that way, that way, that way, and that way. That's all the corners we need. To the middle there. These are the diffusers. Setting them aside for now. We'll have 2 extras. And the hard part of, ouch, getting these actually in here. There we go. So I put the smaller end in. Push the bigger side down. These are difficult to move around. Painful. There we go. Okay, so that's an inside corner. I guess we'll time lapse the rest of this because it's difficult. And we gotta spray paint them because for whatever reason the channels are white, but I can't find it. The corners say they're for those channels, but they're silver. So that's what we had in the house. So spray painting, will dry, and then install them at some point. So we got 3 inside corners here. This corner is gonna go right about there. So put some these 3M strips on here. So they're kind of too long, which is actually a good thing because we're going to use the other part of that to hold up the channel itself. So just put that back on there so it doesn't stick to anything. And we do one over here. We're slightly angling them on the inside so you can grab the tab and undo this. You ever need to. We'll peel this side, and then we'll stick it up in the corner. Okay. And there's 3 more inside corners and 2 outside corners. So we'll do them time. Okay, so that was inside corner, inside corner, inside corner, and we got the 2 outside corners. The only reason that really matters is because I painted these because they were silver. So in here's silver, out here's white. So that's what makes it an outside corner. Two more corners to go. Yeah, that one there and that one there. We'll do this last one in real time. Separate these apart. Side says wall, that goes towards the wall, or ceiling in this case. Stick that on there. Put the stuff back on here to protect the sticky part. That off. Oops. Oh, this is the outside, so we're going to angle it very slightly out towards the outside. Put this back on. We peel off the backing. It says wall. Now we just stick it up here. sides lined up. And then apply pressure. Apply pressure to the part sticking past. So then we just got to cut a piece that'll fit in there. Use these two stickies to stick it up there. Then repeat for here. A bunch down that way. And then a few more on the other side. That'll be cut. Oh, that'll be next. And we're doing the same thing. The straightaways. Doing it about halfway so the next one can share the sticky. Peel off this side. So get that in there. Get up as tight as we can to that one. Put this against the wall. Apply pressure. Oh crap. I forgot to peel this off. So then this side sticks too. Alright, so we got a lot going on in this little clip here. So I measured all the pieces of the channel I gotta cut, wrote in there the lengths. So some people say you can cut it with a normal wood blade, which I didn't want to do that. This is too early. Unplug that. I had this metal cutoff blade. I tried that and it cuts through fine, but it leaves burrs. Yeah, like scrape off. And like the little channel that the diffuser goes in gets blocked. So it's time consuming cleaning that up. So looked on line. And there's aluminum plastic cutting blades. So we're gonna give this a whirl. It's like 25 bucks on Amazon. So I figured it was worth a shot. So I need a screwdriver to undo that. Alright, so we're gonna swap out the blade, which you already saw. And I'm gonna measure and cut these things. So I guess we'll do that all in time lapse. Okay, new blade works really well. Some of the cuts it left a little burr in the one back corner, but that was easy to clean up. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces cut properly, and looks like I got one too short somehow. So I'm gonna install the rest of these, make sure that one really double measure it, make sure I did screw it up, and recut it if I need to. So we're going to go back inside and install these and then recut that one if we have to. I don't know how I did this, but there's 3 pieces that were like 9.5 inches, and 2 of them ended up at 8.5 inches. So I'm not quite sure how I screwed that up twice. I always like measure twice and cut once, but I guess we're measuring 5 times and cutting twice this time. So luckily the 2 10-packs, there was 2 extra full length pieces. So it's not a disaster, but I guess it could have been. All right, so I'm going to cut these to 9.5, not 8.5. And then we'll install them and be done with the track at least.